Rob Rachmaninoff.
YouTube, welcome back. Don Juan 914 here to bring you another sneaker review, and this is a special review today. First of all, before we get started, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, share the channel with friends and family that's in the fits and kicks, and to all my OGs, returning viewers alike, welcome back to the channel. So this is a special review. My brother, every year, me and my brother have a tradition. One of my brothers, we get each other sneakers for our birthdays, right? His birthday was in June, mine's in September, but he copped this pair and he wanted to give it to me for an early birthday gift. So shout out to Kunelli, appreciate you, bro, as always. Let's go ahead and jump right into the review. He hit on Sneakers app for these, and my brother's been on fire too with like the last few months. This man been hitting everything. He hit the Wake New York, the pink pair, the bubble gum. He hit the Undefeated that I just showed you a video of. And now these pair right here. So he's been on fire lately. And yeah, we will have that bubblegum review to you soon. As soon as he gets them in, I'm pretty sure he's gonna let us go ahead and review them for the channel. So, damn, they put hella glue on the box. Sheesh. All right, cool. A little muscle into it to get them out. Yeah. All right, cool. So y'all already know what's going on. Y'all take a look at the box. You already know what it is. So we got them bike airs on deck, the Nigels. Bike Nike box, cream with the, is that black? Or yeah, black bike on it. Cool. Of course, on this side, you know this is the Air Jordan 1 Low, OG. And here's the sizing label right here. So everyone knows in my Jordan 1s, I wear a size 10. That's my true to size in Jordan 1 Low. So this right here is a picture of the bike that I think he hand drew as well on the inside of the lid. Get a sheet of paper right here. And then there are the kicks. Nice. Cool. And then also they come with 2 spare laces, black laces. And my box is a little damaged, but you got the red as well. I think either I'll go with the black or the cream that's in there. I don't know if I'll do the red laces. Yeah, so sliver of tissue paper and then regular tissue paper, or shoebox paper that you should get with your box. And then there's no green stickers in here or anything like that, but I do see like a red stamp right there on the side. And again, there's that little compass thing right there we got on that side, on the upper. So I don't know what that is, but that's what we get with this pair. So enough of the box. Let's get right into the kicks. I'm gonna do this one take Jake, no edits, no cuts. All right, let me stuff that back in there. Cool. Because I know there's reviews out of the shoe, but definitely wanted to bring it to you. Man, after looking at them right now, okay, yeah, these are nice, man. Cool, so let's go ahead and get started. Let me go ahead and hop right into the review of the Nigel Jordan 1 Low Bike Air, Better With Time.
Rob Rachmaninoff.
Cool, so let's start with the outer. You got this red outsole, and it kind of looks like the Lost and Founds, where it's like aged. You got your white age hits on the bottom of the outsole, and this is all about him like riding bikes with his shoes. And you know what, I get what he's saying too, because you'll see there's like scars right here, like on the front, on the side. You have like little scuff marks. right here in the back of the heel. You'll see scuff marks. And I do know where this comes from, because back in the day when we used to ride bikes, especially when we had freestyle bikes that the wheels turn, you can turn them backwards, and you just had the handlebar brakes front and back. But sometimes those brakes will wear out, like the actual rubber on them. So we didn't have any brakes, so we would just, you know, take them off or leave them on because it still looked nice. But we didn't have money back then like that to be replacing brakes on our bikes. So how we used to stop when we need to stop, we would put the back of our shoe on the back of the bike, the back tire, in between like where the brake is and the tire and the frame, and that's how we would stop. And that's, you know, how he does it today. So when doing it like that, that's when you'll get these scuffs on your shoes. And we didn't care back in the day. We didn't, I mean, we had like regular Nikes or Bubbles, whatever we were wearing. We didn't care about our shoes like that. So I see where he gets the idea from that. So moving up to the upper, you got a sail midsole, all black leather tumble upper. You got a sail swoosh, and I'll put a picture up somewhere on the right here to show you that the swoosh, if you can see, like it's double line. But that's because sometimes he said the swoosh would come off and you had to draw a swoosh back on the shoe. But that swoosh, that part that you see, the double lines, that's in 3M. So I'll put a picture up so you can see how that looks in 3M. Back of the heel, you got that Air Jordan Wings logo in the back of the heel. That's fire in that sail. And I don't know if that's 3M as well, because I do see like the double lines on the back of that, but I'm not sure. On the medial side, you just got a regular swoosh on the medial side. And you know what? I didn't even read the color coding on here. So it's Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG Nitro. So black muslin varsity red. So that's muslin, that's not sail. So that color on the midsole, the swoosh, back of the wing is muslin, not sail. So that's something that now the laces look like a sail, or they could be muslin as well, but you do get the muslin or sail laces that come with the shoe that kind of match the outsole and the swoosh. You got Bike Air on the tongue right there in red, that varsity red. Back of the tongue, you just get, you know, your branding, your Nike Jordan branding. Let's see, it does come with shoe paper. And then on this one right here, damn, my sizing tag is all jacked up. All right, on this one, it does say Nigel Sylvester. And you can see my size tag is size 10. And then the insole is definitely a muslin insole as well. And then right here on the side of the insole, you can see right here, if you can read that, it does say Jordan Biking Co. Established in 2017. That's when I think Nigel first joined the Jordan team and dropped his first highs back then, as you can see right there. Cool, so that's the left shoe. And also, I think a nice little touch on this is that mini swoosh right there, going around the toe cap. Nice mini swoosh. And then the material, now that I got the shoe paper out, it is actually a nice material. You can see, nice and plush. So the material, the leather on here is a very nice leather. And that goes all around the shoe as well, all around the upper, but especially this toe box. Look at that, it's plush. So that's key. Cool, let's go ahead and look at the right shoe to see if we see anything different. Of course, there are the laces. And yes, so in the right shoe, my sticker is in pristine condition on this shoe. So the right shoe, you got Bike Air, and you got that size and sag, size 10. Bike Air varsity red, and then you got the insole in that muslin. That's fire. And you also have the Jordan Brand Co. established in 2017 labeling right there on the inside as well in this shoe. That's fire. Nothing else is different other than that. So yeah, so that's just a quick review. I just wanted to bring you my review of it. This is a birthday gift from my brother for this year. My birthday is September 14th, hence the name, Don Juan 914. So, you know, definitely gonna throw these right on feet today and rock them for the rest of the day. With the fit, I just got on the Biggie New York. You know, Biggie from New York. This is Nigel's from New York, so it's kind of a New York thing. I got the Biggie Smalls Supreme shirt on right here with the Air Jordan t-shirt on he had on back in the day. Rocked out just with some black jeans. Black it all out, man. And go ahead and put these to feet, you know, quickly. So again, thanks, bro. Kunelli, I appreciate you. So with that being said, like, comment, subscribe, share it to the channel, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I drop new videos. We're gonna hop into this on feet. Until the next video, I'm out.
one.
Rob. Rachmaninoff.
I know. The way I'm dipping steps so fresh, they call me Manny. Plus the crossover so cold, it come in handy. Every day I shoot a movie, call me Stanley. Can't walk a mile off in my shoes if you can't stand me. So exclusive, this only for friends and family. We up on sneaks and they so geek, we high on fashion. What's up, what's happening? I'm extra fresh out the package, shipping and handling. Life in 4D, I'm an OG like Jordan 03, yeah. It's getting OC, the fashion on me, they tryna clone me, yeah. Shot the DE for the 3P, I'm like Kobe, yeah. The passion feed me, yeah. I know you see me, yeah. Done one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done. I'm done one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done.